फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग कैसे हैं? उम्मीद है कि आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। चलिए आज हम पढ़ते हैं क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट के बारे में। क्रॉप प्लांट, द प्लांट आर ग्रोन एंड टेंडेड इन अ फील्ड फॉर गेटिंग फूड आर नोन एज क्रॉप प्लांट्स. Agriculture science dealing with growth, development and culture of plants and animals. Agriculture practices the various tasks and plannings undertaken by farmer for grazing crops. Crop. Crop is the term used to describe a plant that is grown in large quantities, especially as food or fodder. Classification of crops: three types of crops. Kharif crop is rainy season crop, Rabi crop is winter season crop, Zaid crop is summer season crop. Kharif crop, such types of crops is produced from June to November, called Kharif crop. Example: paddy, maize, soybean, etc. Rabi crop, such types of crops is produced from November to March, April, called Rabi crop. Example: wheat, mustard, gram, etc. Zaid crop, such types of crops only produce in March to July, called Zaid crop. Example: cucumber, watermelon, etc. Nutrient, the mineral element required by plants for their growth, are called nutrients. Types of nutrients: two types of nutrient: macronutrient, micronutrient. Macronutrient, it is the nutrient required by the plant in large amount. Micronutrient, it is the nutrient required by the plant is small amount. Produce, the products obtained from the crops are called produce. Step of agriculture: preparation of the soil, plowing, labeling, sowing of seeds, manuring, irrigation, weeding, crop protection, harvesting, threshing and winnowing, storage of grains. Plowing or tilling, the process of loosening and the turning of the soil is called plowing or tilling. Advantage of plowing: plowing loosens and aerates the soil. It helps in the growth of microorganisms and worms present in the soil and thus maintains the fertility of the soil. Advantage of labeling: it helps the uniform distribution of water. It compresses the loosened topsoil, thus decreasing erosion. Plowshare or plow shaft. The plow contains a curved plate of wood or iron called plowshare, which is attached to a long wood shaft known as plow shaft. Sowing of seeds: it is the process of putting seeds in the soil. There are two methods of sowing seeds: sowing of seed by hand, manually; sowing of seed by using a seed drill, mechanically. Sowing of seed by hand. The process of sowing of seed by hand called broadcasting. Sowing of seed by using a seed drill. A seed drill has a funnel-shaped opening leading off long tubes. These tubes are attached to a plow. Tools of sowing: traditional tool used for sowing seeds, modern tool seed drill for sowing seeds. Transplantation: the seeds first sown in nurseries and then the seedlings are transferred to a field. This is called transplantation manure. The organic matter obtained from The decomposition of plants and dead animal waste is known as manure. Fertilizers. Fertilizers are man-made things, mineral salts which are added to the soil to provide the specific nutrients. Eutrophication. The application of too much fertilizer result in the leaching of nitrates and phosphates into the rivers, causing eutrophication. Crop rotation. The growing another crop alternately is called crop rotation. Irrigation. The process of watering the plants in the field is called irrigation. Traditional method of irrigation: rahat, chain pump, pulley system commonly known as moat, lever system commonly known as dhikli. Modern method of irrigation: sprinkler system, drip system. Weeds. The unwanted plants growing along with the main crop in the field are called weeds. The process of removing weeds called weeding. Methods of removing weeds: manual method, by using tools; by chemical method; by biological control method. Harvesting. When the crop attains maturity, it has to be cut. This is called harvesting. Threshing. The process of separating the chaff from the grain. Winnowing. After the grains are threshed, the chaff is removed from the grains. Animal husbandry. The rearing and breeding of animals along with providing them with good food and shelter comes under animal husbandry. Crumbs. The large pieces of soil present in plough field. Logging. The filling of mature crop due to rains accompanied by fast and strong winds. आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसी लगी? उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।